there is a power able to lead the era, drive the history, and even change the world, which lies in Dongguan Hongye Precision Machinery Company Limited. The exemplary brand in pursuit of excellence. Hongye Precision Machinery Company Limited was founded in 2007 and is located in Wanjiang District, Dongguan. It has 20,000 square meters workshop area and over 200 employees. Since its establishment, the company always sticks to its service philosophy of Hongye made means quality assured. Its private enterprise engaged in processing various precision machine parts and designing and manufacturing precision work fixtures, jacks, and automation equipment, and integrating R&D, manufacturing, assembly, and services. Its customers include European and American, Asian, and domestic enterprises. The company by now has acquired 16 patents for utility models and 6 patents for invention. Great strength and high-quality products. The company has Precision Manufacturing Division and Smart Equipment Division. The Precision Manufacturing Division focuses on machinery, automation equipment, aviation, automotive, electronics, medical equipment, communication equipment, and other fields. The company prides itself on manufacturing various types of precision parts. The precision is up to 0.002 millimeters, which means ISO, ASME, DIN, JIS, and other quality systems. The company has high-precision equipment, including high-speed CNC machining centers, CNC lathes, ordinary lathes, ordinary milling machines, internal and external grinding machines, small surface grinding machines, large water mills, wire cutters, and so on, with a rigorous internal quality management system. Advanced inspection and measurement devices are provided to meet demanding requirements on processing of precision products. The Smart Equipment Division engages in consumer electronics, new energy, automobile, 3C, and other areas to provide the smart equipment for R&D, production, and testing, and the total solution to reduce the labor for the customers, so that the customer can have improved the product quality and increase the production efficiency and reduce the costs. For example, the solutions to the consumer electronics are mainly applied to mobile electronic equipment, mobile phones, tablet PC, laptop, smart wearable device, handheld equipment, and other products. The solutions to the new energy industry are mainly applied to lithium battery and power battery, manufacturing of photovoltaic cells and LED lights. The smart automated production equipment is mainly applied to robotics, visual aligning, welding, dispensing, gluing, rubberizing, micro-assembly, placing, cutting, cleaning, coding, sorting, packaging, inline automated production line. The smart automatic measuring equipment is mainly applied to thickness measuring, mismatch measuring, 2D measuring, 3D scanning, welding spot inspection, appearance inspection, function inspection. Our technical team consists of engineers with many years of multi-industry experience in the automatic precision equipment. They possess professional knowledge and skills in many aspects: structure design, material processing, precision machining, simulation analysis, flexible application of industrial control devices, development of various control software, advanced language program, MCU, DSP, PLC, and other programs, application of visual aligning, character recognition, image processing, optical detection, etc. The industry leader with great achievements. In 2007, Hongye Precision Machinery Plant was founded by Mr. Zhong Huifeng. At the end of 2013, over 10 million yuan were invested in the manufacturing workshop to produce precision products. In 2014, Mr. Zhong Weifeng joined China Guangdong Lions Clubs. He is enthusiastic about the philanthropy and constantly helps the disadvantaged group. In February 2014, the subsidiary Dongguan Hedingsheng Automation Equipment Company Limited was founded to better serve the mass production of automation equipment, fixtures and jigs, precision parts and products. In 2017, the company passed the certification of high-tech enterprise. Ending. In the next year, Hongye will systematically introduce IATF 16949, accessories parts, and ISO 13485, medical devices system management. With Hongye, let's open the door for brand new technology and light up the future of industrial intelligence.